This. Yeah. I already have my earrings on. I do not know how this look is going to go, but I'm super scared of the glue. I do not have the regular eyelash glue. Mine I have is really little, but I need a lot for my face. So I'll be using this Hair by Any hair glue. It is extreme hold, so pray for my face. But this is all I have available to me. I love my earrings. A butterfly made them. DM me or check the description for her details because she's really good and I really love them. They're so pretty. Wait till you see my top. Okay. I think I'm mentally dreading putting this glue on my face. I wanted to do my skincare routine today, but I'm like, what's even the use? I'm going to put some of that out on the... I should show you, but I have Old Nolly playing. That's going to be my music.
Left. The third shelf on the left.
Yeah, straight down to the right. Third shelf on your left.
Genevieve is so beautiful. Who breathe in help? Oh, who breathe in help?
So where do I reach you?
I'm just using my tweezer to press this because I find it's even easier than my nails.
Almost done.
Looks like it's about to rain. I'm trying to measure. I have nostrils for breathing underneath here.
What did you say?
I have to eat now because after I cover my mouth, I can't eat for hours.
Very good man. Into the washing machine.
Jollof rice, eat. I want to protect my eyebrows because this glue is risky on my brows, so I'm going to use some masking tape.
But let me call you after that.
Wait. You cannot perceive it.
This is 4:30. I started at 2, so 2 hours 30 minutes in, and it has gotten so dark. I've gone ahead to put on the light. Let's pray that because of the rain they won't take it. Realities of living in Nigeria, eh? More masking tape because I ain't joking about my edges. I just have to put this in. It's currently 4:20 a.m. Okay. This look was supposed to have taken at most, I was estimating at most 8 hours. I was done with this base since 6 p.m. yesterday. But there was no light. So I kept waiting, hoping that they would bring the light by 8, 9, 10. There was no light. They had just brought the light by 3 a.m. this morning. And I said, let me start doing my makeup again. Because I tried to stay in this for all those freaking hours, bro. Tell me why this... I don't even want to cuss, but why have they taken the light back just now again when I just got back into costume? Wearing my dress and starting to get ready to film. Like, why did you take the light? Why? What was your reason? It's so difficult to lock in this country. Like, electricity is the bare minimum, bro. It's the freaking bare minimum. Can't believe I've been on this thing since 2 p.m. yesterday. My face is itchy. I can't itch my face. It's currently 10:52 a.m. I have coffee in my system. I've had my bath. Couldn't wash my face. Good thing I fast for hours because I haven't been able to eat anything since I ate at 3 p.m. yesterday. I've just been drinking water and zobo. I've had so much fun with this look though, even though it's been so uncomfortable having it on for hours, man. Gosh. Anyway, let's beautify her, shall we? My husband loves it already so far. But I attempt this thing at a more scarier level during Halloween. Eating contest in Nigeria will have you like... But yeah, let's make this doll pretty. I think I should start with giving her definition. I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in tan. That's definitely defining, alright? Like, taking my Huda Beauty Peanut Buttercup. This one is more my shade. I'm going to just blend. I'm just acting like I would do my regular makeup because I've never done yarn makeup before. To start on the eye makeup, still using Tantour. I think blending this to my skin would be a better transition so that you don't really see where it stops, you know. I'm going for bright orange like on my eyes. Huda Beauty and P. Louise. Huda Beauty mascara. So pretty. Oh my god, she looks so pretty. Oh, this is definitely a trust process kind of look. But I have these woven pieces and I feel like if I put on brows for her, she would look even more human. I'm going to be attaching the brows with this Huda Beauty eyelash glue. Is she pretty or not? I've had so much fun with this look though, even though it's been so uncomfortable having it on for hours, man. This doll is so pretty. This doll is so pretty. You know?